this is a short introduction of the socket tray, how to set up. So this is now at the very beginning. When you start up the controller box, it will say no tool selected. Once you connect the tools in the morning, and then it will first start, tools will show CP, which means waiting for command. To get this, you have to use in the software the qualifier settings, and you have here one point saying run last OP on startup. Actually here, and this one you need to take out and save and send it to the box. For the inputs, please interface 1, interface 1, interface 2, interface 2, select parameter 1, select parameter 17, select parameter 2 and 19. To set up, just click in one of these fields here. You can select the interface you want and then the parameter, and you can see it will pop up right away, and then you just enter the right parameter. Parameter setting is clear. Only thing you need to be aware, please leave socket on 0. That's it. After that it will work. As you can see here, if I pull socket 1, we have this tool starting to operate. Start blinking. It will be on stage number 1 because this is parameter number 1, stage number 1. If I put the socket back and pull the other one, it will change to stage number 5, parameter 17. And same thing for the other tool. By the way, it will stay active in that last parameter even if you put the socket back. So please make sure you have an OK fastening, and then it will be locked out till you pull the next socket. And the same thing happens here, interface number 2 for the other tool. It starts blinking, OK fastening, and it's blocked again. Thank you very much.